In this video, we're gonna learn how to fix App Store not working. If you're trying to use your App Store but you are not being able to do so, then simply follow these troubleshooting methods in order to solve your issue. If you're experiencing the App Store not working issue, then the first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you've turned on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. After you do that, try refreshing your App Store or simply force close your App Store and launch it open again. Soon after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to restart your device. Simply press and hold the power switch and slide the power button at the top of the screen. Reboot your system and then launch Open App Store to see if that fixed your issue. If it still doesn't work, try checking for software updates. Simply go ahead and open up Settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on General. Tap on the software update button at the top of the screen. Check for any available updates. If there are updates available, tap on Download and Install button, and that way you should be able to update your software. Once you are done, open your App Store again and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try if you are going through your App Store not working error. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.